There are 2 different ways to set up homework for your client to use HappyNeuron Pro. In this video, we're going to show you the best and easiest way to do so. In the Users tab, click on the patient you want to assign homework. Make sure the patient's email address is correct. If no email address is available, your patient will not receive reminders. However, they still will be able to access the workouts if you provide to them their login information. In the Exercise tab, you can choose which exercises are available to this patient and which ones will be included in their homework. Just turn on any exercise that you want your patient to work on. To activate and configure homework, navigate to the Workouts tab. Make sure to turn on Generate Workouts. Choose the days you want your patient to have new workouts available. For this example, we're going to choose Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. Then choose the duration of the session. The session will automatically stop when this duration is reached, regardless of how many exercises they may or may not have completed. Additionally, you can change the number of times each exercise is repeated. Finally, click Save, and that's it. Your patient will now receive an email every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday morning. The email will have a link that they can click to immediately access the workout. They will cycle through all the exercises that are turned on until the session reaches the target time duration you've set. It is that easy. You will then be able to see what your patients do and how they complete the workouts you've assigned. The next time you see them or connect with them on your favorite telehealth platform, you can debrief their achievements, challenges and progress, and adapt the next session accordingly. For more advanced ways to configure their home workouts, check out the Resource Center to learn about it.